Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you my birthday nails. So I just turned 29 yesterday on the 6th of October and I really wanted to do some cute like pink and red and just a leopard print because I love leopard print nails. I just think they're really cute, and I also wanted to try out some of the new beautiful back to school gel polishes from Madam Glam. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do in this video. So first up, my middle fingernail has already grown quite a lot since it broke like a month ago or something. So I did pre-record this video and prepped the nails on forehand, and here I'm just getting rid of any oil and dust with some rubbing alcohol. So if you do see some variation in my nail length the upcoming videos, that is because I have pre-recorded a ton of like videos, footage, all that jazz because of my 4-week Asia trip. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging and not upload for 4 weeks. I couldn't do that. Like, you know, I love you guys too much and I really love to share my nail art designs, my tips and tricks, and just reviews and stuff. So yeah, so if you do see any variation in nail length, that's the reason why. But you want to start off with applying your base coat. I'm using the Soak Off Base Coat by Madam Glam, and I'm going to use these 3 colors by Madam Glam as well. The first one is Mother Chucker. This is a beautiful classic red. On the first layer it looks a little bit pink, but I guarantee you this is a beautiful like classic red color. So you just want to apply this to the thumb, or at least that was the color I chose for the thumb. I never wear red polishes, mostly because I'm just too scared they will definitely stain my nails, but with gel polishes, because you actually file it off or soak it off, it doesn't stain the nails. So I'm actually really confident my nails will be perfectly fine once I remove this design. But yeah, I never really wear reds. I think they make me look older than I am, but maybe that's just something that's in my head or just my thoughts. I don't know why. I think red is really beautiful and really classy, and especially this color by Madam Glam really changed the way I feel about red on my own nails. So I will definitely be wearing a lot more red like in the future, especially with Christmas coming up and everything in December. So yeah, you just want to apply 2 thin layers of that to the thumb, or at least I chose to apply this to the thumb, and make sure to remove any like excess on the skin around the nail or on the cuticle. You never want to cure anything like that if it's not on the nail, because that burns and hurts and you just don't want that. Then I wanted to do a little bit of a leopard print, and I'm going in with 3 different colors. I'm just going to apply a little bit of each color I'm using on my little resin plate. This sparkly one is called Sparkling Hearts. Then I'm going in with It Girl, and I'm going in with a Little J as well. These last 2 are from the same collection as the red one is the Mother Chucker, and I just think it looked really cute, but because I also really love my sparkle and my glitter, I just wanted to add just a little bit of that with the Sparkling Hearts color. So I'm just going to use a dotting tool. If you don't have a dotting tool, you can use a toothpick or even some like ball end needles. Just Google it if you don't know what I mean. I think they are called like that. They're just like sewing needles to actually just put 2 fabrics together before you go in with your sewing machine. Like if you do sew or have ever sewn, you know what I mean. But you just want to apply a couple of little blobs or like circles or just shapes. It doesn't have to be perfectly round. I think it actually looks best if the little like blobs of color aren't perfectly circular. Just apply a couple of them. You don't want to do too much, like at least I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want to cover the entire nail. I just really wanted to go around the cuticle area and just one side of the nail. Then I just flash cured that for like 10 seconds to make sure it wouldn't move. And I'm going in with Perfect Black. This one is by Madam Glam as well. All of the colors I'm using today are by Madam Glam, like my favorite gel polish brand. You guys know it. already. I can like go on about this brand forever, and I just really love it so much. With the smaller end of the dotting tool, you want to apply the perfect black in kind of like C shapes around the little colored dots you have already applied. I'd say not go around them like completely. You want to leave some of the like edges open, if you know what I mean. I always find this a little hard to explain because it is such an organic like shape or print, and it's totally up to you how big you want to make the spots, how much black you want to apply. Yeah, it's a really personal thing, so just wing it. Just go with the flow and you will see if you like it or not. Then I also added a couple of black little spots in like the bare spaces just to make it like more of an animal print, like even more. I really love adding those tiny black dots. I just think it makes it look perfect and just really pretty. So yeah, that was the first printed nail already. You just want to cure that for half a minute and then go in with your top coat. I'm just using the regular soak off top coat by Madam Glam. This one does have a sticky layer after curing, so make sure you remove that afterwards with some rubbing alcohol or even a gel cleaner or something like that. It really depends on what you have at home. I just always use my rubbing alcohol, like the 96% alcohol, because it's really easy for me to get by. I can just go out to my local drugstore and I can buy a little like flask bottle thingy. It's really inexpensive. It's like €3 or something, and you have like 100 or maybe 150 milliliters. So yeah, a little bit goes a really long way as well, and I just always put it in one of my little spray bottles, and yeah, you're good to go. So off camera I have already applied the base coat to my other 4 fingers, and for the pointer finger and the ring finger I'm going in with Little J. This is like a beautiful medium pink color. It's not too bright, but it's still kind of like a looker, if you know what I mean. It's not like a Barbie neon pink or something, but it is quite cute. It still stands out, especially when I hold it next to the red. I think it's really beautiful. Like in the old days, I was always told never to combine pinks and reds. That was just something that was not done. I don't know why, because I really love the combination, and like nowadays I feel like there are no rules in what colors go together well and what colors don't. I think it's all like in the eye of the beholder, what you prefer, what you think is beautiful. Of course, if you do decide to recreate this design on your own nails, you can do it with whatever colors, you know. I just really wanted to do something with those beautiful pinkish and red tones from the new collection that I received by Madam Glam. I just really like it. You guys know me, I love my pinks, and I'm just kind of like experimenting with using reds, because as I said, I never wear red. So I think this is actually a really nice combination. Like, you don't have red on every single nail, and that's just a really nice thing to actually step in to getting used to using red, if you know what I mean. Like, if you are going to use a color that you usually don't go for, but you really want to try it, just not to throw yourself off of it, don't apply it on every single nail. Like I did, I only applied red to my thumb, and I'm going to apply it to my pinky nail as well. Just to get into a color you never use, just take it easy, one step at a time, you know. But for the middle finger, I just wanted to do like one color, just opaque, and this one is called It Girl. It's kind of like a dusty rose color, and you know me, I love my dusty rose colors, especially in fall. I think that's really, really beautiful. Then I'm going in with that Mother Chucker color on the pinky nail, like that's the same red we used on the thumb as well. And of course, always remember to cap off the edge, just cap in the nail completely, because gel polishes tend to like pull back a little bit from the edge of the nail once it's cured. So yeah, you just want to apply 2 layers of those colors to each nails, and I just applied a little bit more of that Mother Chucker to my plate as well, because I hadn't done that before. And I'm only going to do a leopard print design on my ring finger. not to make it like too much, too overwhelming. Like, I love my leopard print. I would love to just apply it to every single nail, but I know that not everyone is into that. It's not everyone's cup of tea. So yeah, I just try to make designs that more people would actually like. Like, maybe you are like me and you're like, the more the merrier. That's really cool. Let me know in the comments down below if you are like that, if you would like me to do like a full leopard print design, maybe with some other colors or something like that. Just let me know in the comments down below and I'll see what I can come up with. So you just want to apply your color blobs again, like your little spots. Flash cure that for like 10 seconds so it stays in place when you apply the black. Ooh, I made a little mistake there. I accidentally applied a little bit too much of the black. Something you can do to actually fix that is take a little like cotton round or like those non furry thingies. How do you call those again? I can't remember. I have a brain fart at the moment. But you could use a little bit of that rubbing alcohol on a pad and just get rid of your mistakes. Like, that's also why I flash cured the colors on forehand. But just go ahead with your smaller sized dotting tool, or maybe your pin or your toothpick, whatever you're using, and go around your little colored like print blobs, circular thingies. You know what I mean. It's really self-explanatory. If you just watch this, it's really easy to do it yourself. Just make sure your hand is a little bit steady, you're not too shaky, so make sure you have enough sugar in your body. That's something I always have like some issues with. Like, it runs in the family to have a little bit of a higher blood pressure, and I also have that, and that causes me to shake every now and then. Like, my hands can get a little bit shaky. So if you have that, just make sure that you're in a relaxed environment and just have a little bit sugar in your blood so you're not too low on sugar, because if you're too low on sugar you can get the shakes as well. But yeah, once everything is fully cured, you just want to go in with your top coat layer and just cap off the edge again and just cure that for half a minute, and after that you are ready to get rid of the sticky layer. You can do that with a little bit of rubbing alcohol like I always do, and of course make sure that before curing you don't have any gel polish on your skin or cuticle or anything like that. But yeah, that was already the entire design. Like, to finish it off, I'm just going in with my cuticle oil. This is the Elixir Nail and Cuticle Oil by Madam Glam. I love this cuticle oil so much. I use it every single day, and a little bit goes a really long way. You can actually purchase this at madamglam.com as well. Ooh, I also have a 30% discount code if you want to use that. I always pin it in one of the comments down below, and it's in the description box of every single video I post. I post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and sometimes like a little extra video every now and then, but you will definitely be notified if I do upload if you tap on that little gray bell to like turn on all notifications so you never miss a video whenever I upload. But yeah, just make sure that you rub in your cuticle oil, maybe even wash your hands after with only water, just to make sure that the cuticle oil is not all over the place. That is something I really love to do. Sometimes you just apply a little bit too much of the cuticle oil and it won't even soak into your skin because you applied just too much, you know. Your skin can only soak up so much. But yeah, let me know what you think about this design. I'm just really happy with how it turned out. I'm definitely going to use red colors more, and I just really love this color combination. So yeah, I think it would look really cute on shorter nails as well. As you can see, my middle fingernail is still shorter, but I'm growing that out. Bear with me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I love you so much, and if you have any questions, do ask me in the comments down below, and I hope to see you in my next video.